Imagine this, your AI twin making content for you with your face, your voice, and your own body language. Yeah, I'm not kidding you. Record just a few seconds once, and boom, a full 3-minute video of you in every generation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your AI twin and make a video that looks and sounds just like you. Perfect for content creation, UGC videos, ads, and even talking head tutorials, just like you're watching me right now. And the best part? It only takes 3 quick steps and less than 5 minutes total. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Record and upload a short video of yourself talking. Just a few seconds is enough. This helps the AI learn your face, your voice, and even your facial expressions. Once it's done, and go to HeyGen website, and you can choose whether to make a realistic digital clone of yourself or design a totally new character based on your look. In step 2, you'll write your main prompt. This defines your outfit, facial expression, and background. Be as detailed as you want. Wearing a blue shirt, smiling confidently, standing in a modern workspace with soft lighting. The AI will match your real face and create a realistic photo or reference frame based on that prompt. This image becomes the foundation for your full video. And finally, step 3. Write what you want your AI twin to say. Be sure to include punctuation, commas, periods, even dashes, because that's how the AI understands your tone and pauses. You can also set the emotion. Do you want the tone to be excited, sad, friendly, or angry? Once you're happy with the text, hit Preview Voice to listen and make small fixes before generating the final video. Then just press Generate, choose 1080p quality, and let the AI do its magic. In a couple of minutes, you'll have a complete 3-minute video of yourself talking, moving, and sounding totally natural. Now here are a few tips to make it look even better. 1. Some parts might look slightly robotic. That's normal. To make it smoother, add a few B-roll clips over those moments. 2. Always edit your final video. Add subtitles, light color correction, or quick cuts to keep it dynamic. 3. If the mouth or motion looks off, try adjusting your base video or shorten the speech sentence length. Little tweaks make a big difference. And that's it. You just made your own AI twin that can record videos for you anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a content creator, UGC artist, or a business making promo videos, this can save you hours every week. If you're looking for someone to help you edit your videos or create high-quality content like this, I'd love to help out. I'm offering the first video edit completely free, so you can see how I work. Just reach out and let's create something awesome together. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. This was our first YouTube video. Don't miss the next ones.